Hello guys, welcome to another part of Baby Toy and guess what? This was my background now. Yeah, it's my background. And I'm in my room showing you my baby toy. And again, it's two groups. This is Violet. You can tell it is very old. They don't work anymore because none of the buttons do not work. Well, they would if I had batteries. They don't. It would work. That's Violet. And this I had that when I was a baby, like really baby. I had this for a long time too. I had this when I was 4. Technically still a baby. And yeah, that's all I had to say. Love you guys.